3-bedroom, 2 full bath contemporary lake home located in the Crosswinds Community. Being sold fully furnished, enjoy all the amenities offered, which includes Marina, lakefront community gazebo, dock, tennis courts and more. Open floor plan on main level includes living room, dining area and new kitchen 2019, making it perfect for entertaining. Wood floors throughout this level. Windows throughout the home offer beautiful views of Chautauqua Lake. Enjoy an all-season sunroom leading out to a lakeside deck. Master bedroom is located on the main level with large walk-through closet into the private master bath. 2 more bedrooms and full bath are located on lower level that was renovated in 2019, along with family room. Enjoy a cozy wood stove for cooler weather and walk out to covered porch that overlooks the yard featuring well-maintained lawn. Dock slips are available upon request at marina.$6,000.